if you have kids who are ice cream lovers, then please make them this simple chocolate banana ice cream. All you need is your frozen banana, Twisco, and then Cowbell Vita Rich. Put everything in a blender and then blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you have your creamy chocolate banana ice cream ready. And my dear moms, remember that both Twisco and Cowbell are loaded with lots of vitamins and minerals which are good for your kids. So please make them this simple chocolate banana ice cream and I guarantee they will love it. Thank you for watching.